What's up, guys? It is 4:11, but today's review is going to be on 4:10. I'm doing it in the morning right before the market opens. Yesterday, pretty interesting day. I didn't expect this second. Wait, what day are we trading? This is the day, right? Yeah, I get confused sometimes when I do it the next day after. Yeah, I did not expect this move right here. Super nice for the Bulls. They get the pullback. That was meant from the pullback. Yesterday was a sell off into support, and then Bulls made a higher low and tried to close above. If Bulls got to close above yesterday's high, it would be bullish on the big map. Big map. I play video games. I meant it'd be more bullish. That's all I tried to say. So today, really big gap down. I think that was news. Kind of sucks. I didn't trade it, but I was hoping, the homies would all get the pull back to the EMA and then sell off for the rest of the day. That would have been nice for everyone. Instead, the market went sideways. It was a range day, which is the last cycle of the market cycle is range. So bar one, big gap down, continuation to doji. Bar two is a doji. Bar three looks like bulls are trying to reverse it. Bar four, bears get the reversal and test the lows. Although this looks enticing, it's a lot of overlap. They don't actually make a new low. Bears sell off into the low, and then bulls reverse into the range highs. This is the exact reason I don't trade the first 30 minutes is because I would just take that as a breakout. Bar six and 7 is a pullback. A reversal is a form of a breakout. Looks like they got a pullback right away and went for 3 legs higher, creating a wedge top into the EMA. The bar 8 a push up, bar 10 is a push, and bars 13 and 14 is a push. That's 3 pushes up after a gap down. And bar 15 looks like a 2-bar reversal, and then bears get a few legs lower. So we have a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Then bears get multiple legs lower and a fractal 3 legs. So we'll go over the fractal 3 legs because they unfolded first. Leg 1, bar 18 is a pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. And then the market reversed here. It broke this trend line and then made a new low. So this can be seen as leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4. And at this point in time, the bulls are getting a 2-legged pullback, leg 1, pullback leg 2. So I'm going a little bit faster because the market's opening in 5 minutes. So that was yeah. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. There's a fractal leg 3s. There's a fractal leg 3. Leg 1, extremely deep pullback. Al talks about how pullbacks can sometimes go beyond the prior breakout point. I never really saw that ever happen until today or yesterday. It kind of clicked. I was like, this is what he means. This is still a bull leg. This is still a second leg down. This second leg down could be this second leg down. Al says that in the course. I haven't heard. Just so everyone knows, I haven't been in the trade room this year. I went overboard for Christmas and then I got smoked. So here I am. I do plan on joining next month after the paycheck hits because I want to get back in and really grind this stuff out. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Trap. Bar 54 was testing the highs. And the market just goes sideways, really. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. It is hard to count legs and ranges, but if we think about it as the market is unfolding, it's a little different. Leg 1, deep pullback. Leg 2, the bars 45 through 47 should get its own pullback, and it did. I mean, its own second leg, and it did. The second leg starts at bar 51 and goes all the way to bar 54's high, and then you can kind of see it go sideways. Market cycle is resetting. We're going range bound, so it's awesome. We had oh crap, I didn't do a hearing check. I hope this volume is up. Breakout, pullback, channel, and now we're going sideways. That's on the daily time frame, the market cycle is starting to reset. And what I mean by that, and that doesn't mean like we break out. I mean like we could range for the rest of our lives. We don't know. But I just mean like the market cycle is going into the mode that resets, and then we have to live the mode that resets, and then yeah. So where we're at in the market cycle, it's a breakout. I don't even know what I'm talking about. We're going sideways. We're waiting for the breakout. I'm still waking up. I haven't had my first cup of coffee. I hope you guys did good yesterday. Didn't get too shredded. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hit me up. Drop some comments. Thank you for all the support. The views are going up, which is insane. Followers are still coming in. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. It's a quick one today. My apologies. I worked late last night, and then I was super tired, and the market went sideways. I think one of these bars was FOMC minutes. I can't remember, but hope you guys are doing good. Jai, Trader Chick, hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for your support. I will talk to you guys soon. And Rope Trades, if you're seeing this, what's up, bro? So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.